Hello everyone, I am here again for a review of a book. This book has really shaped my thought process in terms of public speaking, how we express our thoughts in front of public or in podcast, anywhere, whenever we talk, how we can talk concisely, how we can talk clearly, and how we can put emphasis on something that matters a lot. So this book is Talk Like TED. This book is written by Carmine Gallo and he talks about 9 public speaking secrets, how TED talkers talk in front of audience. Whenever we talk about TED, that is a technology, education and design. Whole concept of TED is whenever, whichever topic you are comfortable, you are expert on that and you are very passionate about that topic. You should pick the topic during your TED talk and it will be having a blast. First, that is passion. I have just talked about. If you are passionate about one thing, then talk about that. That is the only way you can connect with your audience, because if you don't feel it, you cannot express it, they will not catch it. Ultimately, if you are passionate, then only it will be there and message will be delivered effectively. Second point is storytelling. As a human being, there is one thing, the story, how we communicate our thought, and the most important part, how people will remember your talk, your thought, and in fact you. That is all about the storytelling. Now author talks about very important concept, that is ethos, pathos and logos, and here authors gives a percentage on that. Now what is pathos? Pathos is an emotion connect, that is emotional way how we communicate. So remember this 65% pathos, what it really means. This is emotional connect. So always remember 65% pathos, because emotional connect is very crucial. Third is have a conversation. Always whenever you are there for audience, whatever topic you are speaking, if you have conversation like I'm doing right now talking to you, like that we have to give a TED talk or any kind of public speaking. If we will over rehearse or scripted, that will not connect with your audience. So always just be as natural and as neutral as you can. So first part was emotional. Second part is novel. The heading goes teach me something new. Whenever anyone listen any new thing, stats, data or story, they remember that a lot. If you communicate the new thing, then definitely they will hear you out, they will connect and they will remember. In this there is one more speaking secret, that is my favorite, jaw-dropping moment. Whenever we go 3 hours movie, 15 minutes talk or 5 minutes whatsoever, but if there are one moment that we talk a lot, that is usually a hook, that is a most memorable thing. I will give an example. You will not believe in one TED talk what Bill Gates did. Bill Gates carried real mosquitoes in the stage and they just opened that jar and mosquitoes were there in the air, and what he said was, why only poor country have to experience how mosquito bites? We also should feel that. And of course that was not for harm, it was safe, but still that is the most memorable connect what people remember now also after 20-30 years. Now that moment Bill Gates was doing something that is not expected. So that was a jaw-dropping moment, and that kind of moment we can never forget. Not after years, not after decades. 6 secret is light up. So this point author talks about how the smile, cracking a joke or anything which makes your audience smile, that matters a lot because they will remember you. And science says if anyone is laughing in your joke, somehow they are able to connect, they like you. So as an audience they are able to connect, and that is a good part when we are talking to them. So now this is very important to break the ice. 7 point, that is stick 18 minutes rule. Why this rule is there in TED Talks or many forums? Because 18 minutes, after so many of research, people cannot concentrate on one speaker or any other thing. Now if you want to have 18 minutes into 5 times, then you have to create and build a story, you need to connect with the audience, narrate the story, engage them, motivate them, then only they will be able to sit with the focus. So that is very important. Paint the right picture in front of your audience so that they can able to understand what you are talking about and they can know what's next. Utilizing their sensory, eyes, some videos, some smell, some kind of feeling. How many sensory you will allow them to use during your talk, they will always remember you. Last point, but not the least at all, because that says stays in the line. Now, if I'm talking about A and now I'm talking about B, C, D, doesn't make sense at all in any speech, whether it's a TED talk or any corporate talk. This is very important that we stick in one line what the crucial matter is, what is the message we want to deliver, what are the highlights and points in that talk, and we should emphasize on one thing. Like here I am emphasizing. So this book is meant for whosoever want to be a great speaker in their field, want to excel in their career, because this is the era where we need to communicate, we need to narrate a story, because that cannot be replaceable by AI. So this one thing, the personal branding, how to talk and storytelling. If you want to master that, I will recommend this book. Please go and read this book. Thank you so much.